Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that larger institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at SMCI. Today is Friday, January the 19th. Pops up as the #1 overall position here at TradeAlgo.com for our users and subscribers to take advantage of, with nearly a 1,000% increase in institutional bullish pressure. Stock ends up jumping nearly 22% as a result. Well, it's important to get access to that information early as opposed to hearing it after it's already gone up so much. If we go to our Alerts tab, we can see that SMCI is identified at 9:34 a.m. by our AI technology with nearly 6 times the institutional bullish pressure that's normally identified there. So what the technology is picking up on is the fact that normally people like big banks and hedge funds, big market movers, they only trade about $565 million worth of SMCI shares over a previous 7-day total average. Today alone, $5.65 billion. So it's over $5 billion from what it would normally get in a fraction of the amount of time by some of the most influential market makers. Now, this large directional move is starting to make a lot more sense. But you need the information here with TradeAlgo at 9:34 a.m. instead of hearing about it after it's already moved. If you had followed smart money transactions, $173 million in call options today. Look at the huge list of triple, quadruple, and even quintuple digit returns. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $415 call option. We're going to take a look at the 5-minute chart because we know our AI picked up at 9:34. This is the 9:35 candle. Options were anywhere from about 2 to 10 cents. Let's say you didn't even get in until the end of that candle at the 10-cent mark. At its maximum, that is a 13,000% return. 13,000. But it's not about squeaking every last percentage point out of it. It's about getting access to the information down here, as you clearly saw with TradeAlgo, using institutional data in order flow as opposed to using retail data in order flow that typically comes out over here after the move has already happened. For example, maybe you didn't get in the trade until 10 a.m. and then hopped out at a 700% return. Maybe you didn't even get into the trade until lunchtime. 12:50 p.m. still got out with a 300% return. Congratulations to many of our users who were sharing awesome success stories with us. Someone ended up doing the $387.50 call option, making an over 500% return here. We had another user who ended up making a 350% return on the $450 call option. Congrats to this user who ended up making a nice almost 200% return, made $1,000 for the day. Literally just going to tradealgo.com. They're seeing what the institutions are doing. Don't have to sit in front of the computer all day. Boom, SMCI at the top of the board. And then we can go ahead and wrap up this week and this day with Dell, DELL, 350% increase in institutional bullish volume, so the stock ends up jumping 5% as a result. If we go take a look at Dell, it was identified at 9:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with nearly double the amount of institutional volume that's normally seen there. If you had followed smart money transactions on that one, you could see a nice list of triple and even quadruple digit returns in that case as well. Let's say, for example, you had done the $80 call option. We'll take a look at the 15-minute chart, and even though it was identified at 9:50, let's look at the 10 a.m. candle. This would have been 10 minutes later. It's not about getting in exactly at the right time. It's about having information and data early. Options are about 70 cents at maximum and over 500% return as well. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.